Don't know if I'm in focus, and I don't know if you can hear me. It's a racket in the air. Good morning everyone. So today I am going on another photo shoot. First time I've been out of the house. I've been in the house for 5 days working from home, so exciting to get back out. It is a stunning day outside, not great for taking pictures, but hopefully when we actually get to the shoot there's a little bit of cloud coverage. Shooting two cars today, two really nice Land Rovers built by Outlander. You might have seen one of his cars at Cleanfest this year. That one's since sold. This is another two cars that he's built. He's invited me along to shoot them while he just gets some pictures himself ready for the cars to be sold. So yeah, stunning cars, and I'm excited to get on the way. I'm driving one of Graham's Land Rovers. He's behind me driving the other. We're heading down to Archerfield, which is quite a famous sort of golf resort on the east coast of Edinburgh. I'm in a ragtop Defender with the rear sort of windows, I guess, open. So that's what that noise you're hearing is, flapping about. We are almost there, so I'll slow down a little. It's not a car I'm used to driving. Just jumped out of the Z4 and into this with big kind of knobbly mud tyres, all the rest of it. It's certainly different. You might be able to see there behind me, there's Graham in his car. It's probably too sunny for you to see anything. Anyway, we'll be there soon. I'll show you the car when we get out. Okay, so just finished driving. Just arrived at Archerfield House. This is where we're going to be doing the shoot. It's a pretty nice location. Graham's just snapping a few pictures on his phone over there, and I'll show you the car that I was driving. Oh, that's bright. There we go. So yeah, I was in this Defender here, and Graham's in this one behind me. And yeah, this is where we're going to be shooting today. So this is Archerfield House. Like I say, it's on the east coast of Edinburgh. Very nice and sort of golf resort and stuff. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So we've been shooting for a little while now. It's really sunny, so it's making it quite hard. I was hoping that the few clouds that are there that would cover the sun, but they're not. So quite hard to shoot, really light ground as well, so it's kind of just reflecting up, but at least that's getting rid of some of the shadows. I'm going to walk around both the cars and just give you a little show of them. Graham's just nipped off. So first, here's the sort of pickup. I don't know what they're really called. I'm sure it's got a name. So this one with the bikini roll down top. So Graham pretty much strips these things back to bare bones, starts again, just builds them how he thinks would look best. So see the kind of classic steel wheel, big chunky BFG tyres, nice new grills, new lights, and just little details like these vents and stuff. Everything looks real good. Just neat, tidy work. Obviously you get this nice plaque too, which I think everyone wants. Interior gets a full makeover. So he does these nice leather seats, wooden steering wheels. Gotta brighten that up a bit, be dark. Wooden steering wheels. Let's just open it up. Nice custom mats. He makes all these bits himself as well, so it's got nice locks on it there for a bit of metal work. Everything just looks really nice. You get another plaque in here, another Outlander plaque. It's all colour coded, leather throughout, new tweeters, speakers, and then there's all this nice metalwork here that ties kind of throughout. So he was telling me that the regular sort of tops actually end around here, and that he's put on these extra ones so that you get a bikini top all the way back, and that means you can tie it down the back, so when it inevitably does start raining you're not going to get soaked. You can actually cover your whole self. And then we'll take a look in the back here. So it's something he's quite well known for now, is these teak straps that he makes, all custom made, fit in there perfectly, with these little catches that you can strap things down onto. You can put ski racks on it and things like that, wherever you want. Obviously the bag on the back there looks real nice, and then the kind of galvanised look throughout continues. I'll show you all the doors locked. Colour coding on the passenger side. Yeah, so again the leather, colour coded plastics, and that's the door shut, and the leather again on there, real nice. Back over to this one. This is the one that I drove on the way here. So different colour again, really nice kind of green. I've seen him do a couple in this colour. This one's a work in progress, so it's yet to be finished, but quite a different look again. We've got like a tweed seat here with the leather bolsters and things. The centre bit's yet to be completed. Kind of old, pretty worn wooden steering wheel on this one. Again, I think that's to be replaced, but everything's just kind of getting tidied up. So again, colour coded interior. This one hasn't got its plaques on it yet. Got the nice sort of custom door steps there. There you go, kind of Outlander engraved on them, real nice. Again, the sort of chunky arches. This one's a little bit narrower than the one you would have seen at Cleanfest, but still looks real good. Spare wheel. Again in the back, so you've got all the teak again on the floor. Teak sort of seats here on the side. The bikini top again on this one slightly different, just big rag top that covers the whole thing, so it's all the frame inside. And this one could be completely covered. There you go. Slide windows on this one, and again just colour coded. So the Harris tweed again on there, colour coded plastics. Nice. Leave it to me. Am I starting this right? Start. Sure. Yeah, that's us finished the shoot. On our way back to Graham's house now, I'll pop the cars off. I think it went pretty well. It was really sunny, which is not great for taking photos. A couple of wee moments of clouds, but not enough. So it does look like it's just getting cloudy now, which is great. Yeah, look forward to getting back and checking out the pictures. So yeah, look forward to showing you